M.2 NVMe SSD from the brand Ediloka. This here is a 512GB capacity variant with model number EN605. Unang mapapansin nyo dito sa M.2 from Ediloka is its price cheaper than most of the other known brands ng M.2. Because of its attractive price, napabili na nga ako nito. Even though mas mura siya, hindi nagtipid ang Ediloka sa M.2 nila. May kasama nitong screw at screwdriver para sumountin ng M.2 to the motherboard. Tested kaagad sa Hard Disk Sentinel. And as you can see, performance and health are both 100%. Absolutely brand new, walang kaduda-duda. Proof enough that what we have here is a high-quality, affordable product.